Come take a look at this 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. Carfax has certified this Silverado 2500HD as having one owner. This Silverado 2500HD has just under 18,500 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This Silverado 2500HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the Work Truck Preferred Equipment Group, Summit Light, windows, locks and mirrors, power with up-level door panels on a base trim-level vehicle, dark titanium, cloth seat trim, GVWR, 9,900 pounds, 4,490 kilograms, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, engine, Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel, V20 diesel compatible, transmission, Allison 1000 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled LED, emissions, Arizona, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements and the trailering equipment, heavy duty. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.